Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. In this video, we are going to see different paste functions and techniques available in Microsoft Excel. So whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, understanding how to optimize your work by using different paste options like paste only values, paste only formulas, using paste special, transpose and many more. By using these paste options, you can enhance your productivity and data management skills. So let's start. So here we can see we have a sales table where we have a 4 column month, sales, tax and total. So we have month January, February, March, April, May, June. Here sales value is given and 20% tax. And total here you can see we have done multiplication of cell into tax and we are getting the total. Right? B6 into C6 plus B6. So after adding this 20% tax, this total we are getting. So here we want to copy this table and paste here. Okay, so in Excel we have different options. So first option is paste formula. So first we will see this option. For that we will select this and I will clear this first. So I will go to this clear and I will clear all. Okay, now I will select my table. So for that what I can do, I will do Control A for selecting the table, then I will do Control C to copy it. Okay, now I need to click on cell where I want to paste the table. So I want to paste here. Okay, so I have clicked this cell. Now if you go to the Home tab, here you get the paste option. If you click this drop down, you get different paste option here. Okay. Now if I click this formula, you can see if I hover on this, you can see all the data is pasted here as we clicking this formula. So if I click this, here you can see it remove all the formatting from the table. Okay, but we can see formula is intact. If I click this formula, we can see, but the formatting is not present here. You can choose this when you don't want formatting and you want only the formula. So this is the method number 1, which is paste only formula. Second option for the pasting is paste formatting. Okay, so again what we will do, we will remove this gray part. Go to this clear option and clear all. Now again we will select this data, we'll do Control C to copy, then go to the paste option. Here the third option you can see here, formulas and number formatting. Okay, so we will select our cell first and go to the third option, which is formula and formatting. So we have here number formatting and formula as well. Okay, if I select this, you can see we have all formatting, right? Dollar sign is also there, percentage also there, and here we have formula as well. Okay, here in the formula bar you can see, we can see the formula. So this is the second option, which is a paste formatting. Here we are getting number formatting and we are getting formula as well. Okay, now the third option is paste column width. Okay, so again we will select this and we will clear this gray part. We will select our data, go to the we'll do Control C to copy, then we'll select the cell, go to the paste option, and here we have the fifth option, which is this keep source column width. So here what's happening, it's exactly same as the original. So nothing changes. It's looking at original. It resize your column depending on when you have clicked. So it is the same as the original. So I will click this and you can see here you can getting this formatting, all the formatting. You have formula as well in the formula bar, and here you can see the formatting is intact. Here you can see it is bold. Okay, text formatting, and here you can see the orange color as well in the background. so it is the same as the original one. So when you use this paste column width, it will look like the original one. So we have done 1, 2 and 3 options. Now fourth option is a paste no borders. So again we will remove this, we will clear this. Okay, then I will select our data, do Ctrl C to copy. Here I will click the cell and will go to the paste option, and here in the no border we will go to the no border. Here this is the fourth option. Okay, it will remove any border you have applied to the data. Okay, I will click this. Here you can see heading formatting, number formatting also there, formula is also there, but there is no border. Okay, everything is there. Heading formatting is there, number formatting is there, formula is there, but no border. So by pasting the no border option, you will get the no border. Okay, so this one is the fourth option. Now fifth option is a paste values. So I will select our data, our area, gray area. I will clear this. Now we'll go to select our data. This is our data. Select this, do Ctrl C to copy. Then I will select the cell to paste here. Go to the paste option here. Okay, and here in the paste value you can see you get the option paste values. Okay, so if I click this, this will remove all the formatting including the formulas. Okay, if I choose click here, you can see we are not able to see the formula, we are only see the value here. So this will remove all formatting including the formula. No longer we are able to see the sum calculation here. If we edit the tags, it's not going to update even. Okay, so this is the paste value. Here we are going to paste only the values, nothing else, right? So this was our sixth option. Now one more option is, which is transpose. So for that what we will do, we will see our data is already selected. We'll go here and we'll go here and we'll use this transpose option, which is this one. Okay, I've selected the wrong cell. So you have to select the cell and go to the paste option and use this transpose. Okay, so what is happening here, you can see it switches your data other way around. Okay, so this was present in the row. Now it is, you can see it as a column header, January, February, March, April, May, June, and all this column header you can see it is in the row. So it is switched. Most of the time we have a column heading horizontally aligned, but what if we want vertically? So here we can see, if you want it as a vertically, you can use the transpose option. Okay, so this is all about the pasting option present in the Excel. So we have seen 6 different pasting options here which are frequently used, which is paste formula, paste formatting, paste column width, pasting no border, paste only values, and transpose, where we are just changing the layout. So if you want to more options for the pasting, so for that you can go here in the paste, and here you can find a paste special. So here you can get so many options for pasting. So just explore it whenever you get a time. I showed only the mostly used paste option here. So see you in the next video.